Hey, welcome to the video, guys. Welcome to my channel. I'm Todd from TR Visuals, and in this week's video I want to talk about how to shoot sunsets, video sunsets with your drone. Now, about a couple of weeks ago, my girlfriend and I, we took this amazing road trip up to Byron Bay. It's the most eastern point in Australia. It's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful beaches, whales, sunsets, beers, the whole, it's just such a nice place. Anyways, on the second night we were there was this absolute banger sunset. I nailed the photos of the beach. I thought I nailed the video with my drone of the sunset. As it turns out, no I didn't. I made a couple of mistakes, little mistakes, but they're definitely noticeable. They're definitely baked into my footage. I'll put the footage on the screen now. See if you can pick the mistakes that I made. Begging for more. Did you see my mistakes? Did you see the flickering in that shot? That hideous flickering baked into my footage. There's not much I can do about it now. So the reason why that happened was because I was shooting in aperture mode. I don't know why I was shooting in aperture mode, but I was. And the reason why aperture or shutter priority mode isn't gonna work during a shot like that is because, okay, I was in aperture mode. The camera is selecting the shutter speed automatically to expose correctly, yeah? As the brightness of the shot changes, so does the shutter speed. Hence you get the flickering. Flickering is, it just doesn't look good at all. I know it's only very slight, but it's definitely there and it's just not professional. Okay, so here are the exact steps you're gonna do to nail that shot. You're in Byron Bay. There's a beautiful sunset going on. You with your girlfriend. Everything's perfect. You're flying your drone. You're going to take your drone. This is before you press record on your drone. You're going to fly it up and point it at the most brightest part of your shot, which is, of course, the sunset. Don't know what my dog's barking at. I shoot at 4K 30, so I'm going to be at 1/60 shutter speed. That's already dialed in. I'm then going to change the aperture to correctly expose for the sunset. That's it. That's all you got to do. Now, when you face the gimbal down after you've dialed in those settings, yeah, it's going to be much darker. It's not going to be correctly exposed, but who cares? You're not exposing for the water. That's not the hero part of the shot. The hero part of the shot is the epic pink sky. Oh. So that's it, guys. If you do it that way, you're not going to get any flickering. You're going to get a much nicer shot. I'll put on the screen now another shot that I shot down here a couple of weeks ago in manual mode. I actually did it correctly, and you'll see there's no flickering. It's a much nicer thing to look at. That's going to be it pretty much for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and drone on, be champions, and I'll see you next Sunday. Peace. Streaming from my eyes.
it flows.